Hi friends, welcome to Food Channel. Today I'm going to do a dish called mushroom chicken with basmati rice. The ingredients which needed for that is potato, mushroom, coriander leaves, green chilies, brown onion, that means normal onion. You can use a little bit of mint, red chili, Shan wheat vegetable masala, salt, turmeric, and then oil. We'll be doing the mushroom chicken shortly. I'll be back. For mushroom chicken, we are going to add little oil and keep the temperature at 250 degree. Just spread the oil a little. We need to add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks and bay leaves once the oil is heated. Now it is heated, so I'm adding cinnamon sticks and bay leaf. Let it get sauteed for some time, and then we will be adding ginger garlic paste. Welcome back. Now I added the ginger garlic paste, chopped onion and chopped green chilies. Now it has to get sauteed for at least 10 minutes. So that the onion becomes a little brown. This dish is a little bit long process, not like other tortillas, which is originally prepared mushroom chicken. So it will take at least to complete 15 minutes of time, maximum to 20 minutes. So let the onion gets cooked. We will be chopping the coriander and we will be chopping the tomatoes. Now I added the chopped tomatoes and then chopped mint and coriander into the mixture. So now it is cooking. Let it cook for at least 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Meantime, I have cut the potatoes into small cubes and cut the mushrooms and washed it and kept it ready. And we need to put chili flakes, which 1 or 2, and then we need to add turmeric powder, and then we need to add meat vegetable masala, and then little bit of chili powder. Once the tomato and onion base is cooked, I will be adding the potato and mushroom, and after cooking for some time I'll add all the powders, whatever I said, and salt according to this. See, the rice I have boiled and kept it ready, so it will be given in the side for mushroom chicken. See, I have kept the door open so that the smoke which is coming out will go out. That's the only way to let it out. Now the chicken, the tomato and onion has come out good. So if you want more oil, you can add it up, but I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. That is sufficient. So now I am going to add the potato in it. and saute a little bit. Mushroom I will be adding it a little bit later because it cooks much more faster. Potato takes time. After adding the potato, let it mix it with the onion and tomato mixture. So let it cook for some time. I added a little bit water and salt so that the potato can cook a little faster, and close the lid and keep it. Now the potato is a little bit done. I added 3 flakes of chili, and then 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and then 3 tablespoons of vegetable and meat vegetable powder, and then I'm just waiting to get it sauteed out. It looks really yummy. You can look at it, the color and texture of the potato mixed with the onion and tomato curry. So let it cook for some time, and then we'll add mushroom to it, and at last we'll add the chicken which we have diced and kept it. Now I added the mushroom. The curry has come out a little boiled, and then the potato are boiled. I checked it. I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then I added the mushroom to it, and added little water, half cup of water, so it can simmer, and then the potato and mushroom can mix with the curry very well. So let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes so that we can add the chicken to it. Now I added the cubes of chicken into the gravy, and we need to stir it so that the chicken cooks well. It looks yummy, right? So now we have to cook it for at least 5 minutes so that the chicken is boiled. 5 to 7 minutes, so chicken is getting boiled. And I used grilled chicken which I got it from Walmart. You can use grilled chicken, or you can use normal chicken also, but before using a normal chicken you need to marinate it with lemon juice and salt just 2 hours before, so that it has good flavor to it. Let it cook for some time. Hi y'all, see the final presentation, how yummy it is with basmati rice and then the chicken and mushroom. So definitely you can try this at home and wherever you are. It's just you need to be a little smart how to use the ingredients correctly so we can achieve it. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and also share the video with your friends on Facebook, Instagram. It will encourage me to put more and more fresh foods cooking at a single bed motel room without hood or without kitchen, with electric equipments, rice cooker and a electric pan, saute pan. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.